Hey, do you have a cup of pasta and you're searching about an easy dessert? You are in the right video. With just 1 cup of pasta and milk, you can make an easy, delicious and good for you dessert. I doubled the quantity today, but I'll write the small peach version below in the video. So let's get started. And our first step is heat the milk. In a pot, pour 800 grams of milk over the stove. Oops, mine got very hot very fast. Now, add 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of whipping cream powder, or using cooking cream, clotted cream, or leave it out. Mix well and keep on low heat, just to warm, not to boil. And our second step is cook the pasta. In another pot, add 2 cups of pasta, any shape you like. I personally prefer this one for this dessert. Add just enough water to cover the pasta, about 1 centimeter above. Add a pinch of salt, stir, and cook on medium to low heat for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes soft like this. Now pour the hot milk mixture over the pasta. Let everything combine together on medium heat for 3 or 5 minutes. Until the texture thickness like this, rich and creamy. Serve it warm or cold, both ways are delicious. I add a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor and beautiful look. Now it's time to taste. Just look how creamy and full of milk it is. And the taste, absolutely amazing. You have to try it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to MarMello for more sweet and easy creation.